There we go. So that's cleaned that off pretty well. Let's try this end here. Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to easily clean your pipes with your impact driver. What we have here is a pack of 6 pipe cleaners. You've got 28 mil, you've got 22 mil, and you've got the very common 15 mil. Drill bits with a screw at the end, the bolts that fit them. So that's the bolt there that fits this particular bit. Fits within my impact driver. Our 22 mil pipe cleaner. And let's get going. So what I'll do is I'll probably do a POV of this so that you can get an idea. You'll get a close-up and everything. So that's what we'll do. That is everything you will need. Inside the pipe cleaner, we have some metal bits that will clean the pipe. The outer end is all plastic. So this is usually used manually by hand. However, what we're going to do here is screw this bit in. It fits in quite snugly, like that. What we can do as well is put in one of these washers. Once the washer is in, we can put it up like that. And that is what that looks like. Before we do that, we're going to put a bit of liquid PTFE on this. So the liquid PTFE is just going to go around the end. We're only just going to put a drop of it just at the end, if it ever comes out. There we go. It's not a lot, just enough. Not a lot, just enough. Just to lock it in place. So the washer is going to sit in here. We can see the washer in there. We're also going to put in the nut. So the nut will sit in there just like that. The washer and nuts are both in at the moment. Our drill bit with a bit of liquid PTFE. That is now going to go in. It needs a bit of screwing in. Hold this in place while screwing this on. And there we go. That's pretty solid now. That's what it looks like. Grab my impact driver. And what you might want to do is just tighten that up just a little bit. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to go find a bit of 22 mil pipe to clean up now with this. You probably want to let the liquid PTFE dry off, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go find the bit now, and that should be it. Right, so over here, we have this 22 mil bit of pipe. It's got a little bit of paint on it. Not much, but it is dirty, okay? So what we're going to do is clean this up now by getting this on it. There we go, it's getting there. So we'll see what it looks like now. That's it. So it's not too bad, that's just enough. So there we go. That's enough to get a fitting on there. Spend a bit more time on it. So there we go. That's the pipe now. So if we have a quick look, I think that's clean enough to solder onto or even press fit onto. Now, what if you have a pipe like this, which is completely filthy? So we'll try and do a POV of this. So I'm trying to do it behind the, there we go. Not done a bad job. Not done a bad job at all. There we go. So that's cleaned that off pretty well. Let's try this end here, which is also, I mean, that's got a bit of solder on it as well. Not the best job there, but I suppose it depends how long you stay on it. So it does take off paint, and it'll do it a lot quicker than doing it by hand. If I wasn't at this angle, what I could probably do is stand here like this and just twist that around. Just like this. And it's starting to do a bit of a better job there. So yes, this is what that looks like. This is going to be the 28mm, which you can do the same thing for. Drop that in there. Fit this around the back. Get your liquid PTFE on there, or your Loctite, whatever you want to use. And you can make one of these. Now, I generally don't need to clean 35mm. But what we will clean is this old pipe. I've got a lot of old pipes here. I've just done an install. And we've got this pipe here. It's got a bit of paint on it. It's got a few other things. And this is what we have. As you can tell, it's rotating it. So what we'll do now is we'll just have a look at this, which you've just seen, and we'll clean that up, 28mm. So there we go, it's getting there. You do have to be careful with the nut inside. I would maybe consider getting a smoother one. So I'm going to look into that, and I'll probably improve this. But how effortless. Do you know what I mean? So that's nice and clean. Minimal effort, not breaking the sweat. That's one of the jobs I hate the most, cleaning pipes. So, peace out.